What are you up to here?
Just welding up some door holes. They put an aftermarket, or sorry, not aftermarket, replacement door on it. It's not supposed to have mould holes, which we just filled that one in. Had one back up here, filled it in. But that's the after, once it's all done.
Yeah,
so
nice.
I'll just clean this up now and that'll be sweet. Got a few dents to take out of it here and there, and I'll strip the rest of this old paint off and see what's under that. Hopefully not too much bog. But yeah, just carrying on into it, keep on.
But yeah, so they're welded up.
Yeah, all good, yeah. I'll grind that up, give it a panel file up. It should come up really nice.
Like the front one looks really good.
Yeah, no body filler, done right. Trick is to not overheat, so you don't destroy stuff.
And the front guards are looking really good, all back to metal.
Hey guys, so here we are on day 10, the VH build. On the front of the car, on what we call the stone tray area, located underneath the front bumper bar. As you can see, young Michael's here, he's panel filing this up. He's dollied it all out, got all the dents out of it, all the old body filler. It was a pretty sad state of affairs, didn't really sit correct anywhere. But at this stage it's starting to come up pretty good, Mick.
There's still a few lows here and the highs, so you've got to generalise it and get your highs and lows in a good place. So I've still got to get these little lows up, and then you've got to tap your highs down. That's how you get it straight. And then we've got different tools that make it easier. But yeah, that's how we get it back to its nice shape without putting any body filler in the front of the car. And the last thing you want is body filler on the front of a car, or
just blanked out.
Yeah. good. So that's his first rub back. All the holes are all welded up now. We'll just go over and see what the old man's up to. He's still doing some file finishing over here. How's it going over here, Bob?
Yeah, right. Starting to straighten up. Come out pretty good. Pushed out quite a lot of dents and distortion it had sorted through it. As you can see, there's a couple of little bits left, but we'll get them out.
Yeah.
But it should come up real straight in the end. We'll get it up to where it should be, and we'll give it some primer, and it should be good to go.
And the quarter panel, it's in primer now.
Yep.
It's come up a treat.
It's ready for a block back, and it'll be ready for paint. But as you can see, the rest of the car, the other door, the guard, it's all been filed up. It's all bare steel finish.
So it's ready for its first coat of primer as well. So we're coming around this side. We just paint stripped this side. And now, as you can see, it needs to be the same thing. File finish, get all the dents out of it. Engine bay will be sandblasted. All in around the doors. We'll pull all the doors off. And then in behind the doors will be sandblasted. But yeah, we'll show you when we get to that.